Hey everyone, it's time for the Southwest Arkansas 6-day forecast video blog. So let's dive right into it. For the first half of the period, which would be Thursday through Saturday, clouds are generally going to be increasing as a storm system, or rather a series of storm systems, approaches the area mainly to the north Thursday through Saturday. They'll carry generally lower chances of rain with them, really 10 to 20% chances generally. It'll get cloudier through the period, so from Thursday, it'll be mostly sunny, and to Friday and Saturday, it'll be getting partly cloudy, so the clouds will generally increase through the first half of the period. Thursday does carry a small bit of a severe weather threat with that, but we will get into that in just a second. So temperatures will generally be sitting in the 80s and 90s for high temperatures, and starting out the first bit of the period in Thursday, into the lower 60s and upper 50s, and that will increase as moisture begins to increase from the Gulf into the middle 60s to low 70s for the Friday and Saturday period for lows. Sunday and Monday, rain chances are the highest with 50 to 60% from Sunday into Monday as some stronger systems approach the area, and so with them, they will bring better chances for thunderstorms. As far as severe weather potential, that will still be gauged as far as that's concerned, because right now, not really, seeing anything other than your typical strong wind threats with your hail threat. Nothing more major beyond that for Thursday but Sunday and Monday. Which, of course, Monday being Memorial Day, it looks kind of rainy for Memorial Day, unfortunately. But aside from that, chances are the highest in the morning hours on Monday, with them generally decreasing towards the 40% range for the afternoon hours on Monday afternoon. So with that being said, that will continue to be monitored, but it does look like there will be storms around for Monday. And late Monday, there will be a cold front to pass through, and that will bring calmer conditions. It'll still be cloudier on Tuesday, but it will be cooler as that front pushes moisture out of the way and allows for the temperatures to fall a little bit. So all in all, Thursday through Saturday, starting off the clearest on Thursday with clouds becoming more frequent into Friday and Saturday. Lower end rain chances, but Thursday could carry a bit of a storm threat with it, a stronger storm threat with it, if any cell can get established. Highest rain chances Sunday to Monday, 50 to 60%, 50% on Sunday and 60% Monday morning, so carrying over from Sunday, decreasing to 40% Monday afternoon, and then 0% on Tuesday after a cold front passes. And switching over to the severe side real quick, for Thursday, there is a level 1 to level 2 risk for the area currently, with level 2 being in the furthest southwestern portions of our coverage area. The rest of the area generally seeing that level 1 risk. Now, the way I would like you to read this is not so much marginal and slight risks, but so much more as the potential for isolated strong to severe weather in the green zone, and the potential for more scattered severe storms in the yellow zone. The overall potential for storms tomorrow looks not so great, so that potential in itself will be monitored, but if there's any sort of cell that can become established, it does have that risk of getting stronger, with carrying mainly a damaging wind and large hail threat with it. So as far as the severe threat is concerned, it's not the greatest. In fact, I would kind of probably expect some changes tonight to maybe even move that level 2 risk maybe further west, just because it did seem like the best potential did seem like the southern Oklahoma and northern Texas area. Aside from that, there is that level 1 risk and that associated risk in general for lower storm chances. So really, it'll just depend on if we get any sort of cell to form and become established where that severe threat will really carry, and that would look to be mostly Thursday afternoon hours. So that'll continue to be monitored as that is tomorrow. But overall, the first half of the 6-day forecast looks great, excellent weather. The second half kind of gets stormier, especially for Memorial Day weekend, Memorial Day itself, unfortunately. But other than that, weather clears out on Tuesday, and you get a return to cooler and calmer weather conditions.